So if you're buying and selling, you're a trading company. Yeah? Just like any other business out there, like my accountancy business, okay? However, if you're holding on to property and only holding on to property, you're then an investment business. And the tax rules for a trading business are different to a investment business. Yeah? Now if you're doing one or the other, you're okay, because you're either this or you're that. Okay? But if you're like our friend at the back there, who says the answer is yes, but it could be no, depending on what happens, then we're stuck. Because the problem is, if you sell half the units and hold on to half the units, this is now an investment arm. This one here could be, I'll put TR for trading, this one here is TR for trading. The problem is, if you mix investment and trading together, you might end up being an investment business. And generally speaking, if you're an investment business, you don't get some of the tax reliefs available to a trading business.
So you want multiple holding companies for different arms of your business?
You're heading in the right direction. So there are tax advantages, which we're not going to cover today, because then we just go into deep stuff. But some really good ones available to trading, which aren't available to investment. So where possible, we want to be trading, because the government wants to incentivize people to trade. Okay, and if you've got investment properties, then you don't get the same advantages. 20% of your turnover, or your profits, okay, or the value of your assets on your balance sheet, or the time you spend. That's four. I think there's 6 indicators in total. They're the 4 main ones. The time you spend in that part of the business is more than 20%. You lose trading status, which is not good. So how you want to do it is this: you can have two holding companies, and if you're going to hold on to the units, and you know you're going to hold on to them, then you would run them through your holding investment company. If you know you're going to sell them, then you run them through your holding trading business. The problem is, sometimes you don't know. So the more clarity you can have at the start, the better it is. Okay? A common question is, well, if I'm looking to sell, but I hold, because the economic, I think you mentioned it earlier when I was asking the question here, the economic climate changes, what do I do? Well, as long as you're looking to actively sell those units, let's say through an agent, you can rent them for a short period, let's say from 12 to 24 months, up to 2 years. You can rent them out, generate some rent, but as long as you're actively selling them or trying to sell them, you'll be okay.